do that.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? So on today's episode, we're going to be talking about a thing that people with ADHD hate to do. Projects are fun. But the cleanup is not so fun. And if you were raised like me and you don't like to have waste in your life, you have a real hard problem throwing away plywood that's worth $100 a sheet. So I'm going to repurpose this wood that I used for my pit forms. I thought I'd just show you guys what I'm doing to try to get some more space in my shop. I have some outbuildings that are kind of getting torn apart by the wind, and I have a perfectly good shop and I can get more room out of this one. So basically what I want to try to do is to pallet that into my shop to be able to stack some lawnmowers underneath and above. And I'm going to take these heavy duty forms, and I already had cross supports for my forms, so I'm going to leave those there. I'm going to add some 2x4s here, and then I'll put some post bracing and some triangulation where I need it. But I want to try to leave one end really open to be able to slide things in and not lose too much head height on our garage. And so that's why I'm going with 2x4s rather than a thicker piece, because I don't want to increase this dimension. Here's a little shop project that might give you all some ideas, and if you're deciding to do something with concrete forms, here's something you could do with them. That's a big screen TV. I gotta get rid of it. What do y'all say we go and destroy this thing together with the tractor? That's coming up at the end of the video. Stay tuned for that.
Above the rest.
This isn't exactly what I'm going to do up here, but you can see I'm getting a lot more space back by doubling my floor in the corner, and I don't have so many things in front of other things. So I went ahead and went with 2x4 so that I could fit more underneath and over without losing that space. As long as I'm careful with how I distribute the load up top, it's going to be a lot of strength, so it's going to be a good deal.
building things together.